guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell from the title, this is going to be a room tour video. I've been debating whether to do this or not just because I'm always changing around my room and just adding or taking away some stuff, but I just figured there's never going to be a perfect time, so why not just do it now? You guys are going to see throughout this video that I am one of the most unorganized people in the world. Like, it's bad. But like, I'm trying, so cut me some slack. Alright guys, so we're just gonna get into it, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified every time I post. Give this video a thumbs up if you want. If not, that's okay. So, bye.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view.
Alright guys, so when you first walk into my room, you see this. It's just my bed, and I have this nightstand right here. This nightstand is from Target. I actually just got it last week. It was, I think, $80 if you're wondering. And this nightstand is just where I charge my phone at night and my laptop, and just where I put my coffee in the morning or just like water at night. My bed set is from, I'm pretty sure, Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm not positive. Up there we got Rex, who is from Target. My boyfriend got him for me for Valentine's Day. And then when you look up, the picture above my bed is just the night sky that my boyfriend got for me. It's the night sky on the night he asked me out. We were at Friendly's, and the quote on it is just, "There are many stars in the sky tonight, but only one of them shines through my heart, and that is you." And I'm literally obsessed with the sky. I love the stars, I love sunsets, I love sunrises, so it was just the perfect gift for me. He knows me so well. And then down here, I just have this pink blanket. It's from TJ Maxx. It's actually Calvin Klein, and it's really, really soft, you guys. Like, and I think my curtain rods are from Target. They just have this little marble design on it. And then over here, I just have my first dresser. This lamp is from either Target or TJ Maxx, but I'm pretty sure it's from TJ Maxx. This little wooden plate set, it's from TJ Maxx. This little jewelry box is from TJ Maxx as well. There's a cute little elephant on it. And then above it is just my name engraved in wood that my friend's dad made for me. And there's a necklace on there, which is from Anthropology. This perfume bottle from my boyfriend's grandmother for Christmas. I have two little boxes that have jewelry in them, and then this is a shot glass that my friend got me from Barcelona. And then over here is a book called The New York Guide. My friend got that for me from Paris. And then here I just have this notebook that I got at my graduation ceremony. And then over here I have a sign that my brother got for me, and it says, "I've got to get up, my coffee needs me. I am a coffee addict." I literally love coffee. I drink like 3 cups a day. It's really unhealthy. Here I have some pictures of me and my friends and my boyfriend. And there's one over here that my boyfriend's brother actually made for us for our anniversary. Over here I have these shelves that my dad actually made for me. I was looking for these shelves everywhere and I couldn't find them. My dad was like, you know, I can make them for you, and I was like, yes please. So he made them for me, and I love them so much. I just have some vintage cameras on them. This vintage camera was actually used by my parents to take pictures of me and my siblings when we were younger. This one is my first vintage camera that I've ever gotten. It's from my brother. And this one right here was actually used by my grandma and grandfather. I think it's really special to me. And then that's just a case that goes to this vintage camera right here. Over here I have my camera lens, another vintage camera. I don't know where this one came from though. I have my GoPro. It's just a GoPro Hero 1. It's not really good quality, but it was my first camera, so I just like to keep it. And then I have a picture of me and my boyfriend at prom 2018, and the frame is from, I think, TJ Maxx. And then just a little cross right here. It's really cute. It's really colorful, that my boyfriend's parents got me from New Mexico. This chair right here is just an office chair. I don't really know where it's from, but it's just white and simple. So I needed a chair to go with my vanity. I just keep it in the corner and out of the way when I'm not using it. On it is my floppy hat that was actually featured in my summer haul, which I'm going to link down below. And this pillow is from Target. Over here on my vanity, I have these drawers, and they just have makeup in them, deodorant, and just a free sample from Sephora. Guys, here's a little tip. If you give Sephora your birthday during that month, you can go in and get a free little gift bag of a bunch of different free samples. I have some makeup brushes, just different makeup products, under eye concealer, eyeshadow, blush, eyeshadow, lip gloss, a brush, and color tattoo. Do you guys remember when these were like really popular? Like I used to get them all the time. Some eyeshadow palettes, makeup brushes, my everyday makeup bag. By the way, you guys, I'm going to be making an everyday makeup routine very soon, so be on the lookout for that. My makeup mirror that I think is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and my Apple Watch charger. In this drawer, I have some school supplies. These are just note cards. I have my blue light glasses by, I think they're from iBuyDirect. Yeah. Here, I used to put 20s in here, like $20 bills, but as you can tell, I'm broke. A piece of essential oil because when I like do homework or study, I get really stressed, so my mom gave it to me. This actually opens up, but in it, I just have like my Bible, planner, an old jewelry box that my grandmother gave me. It was my first jewelry box. And there used to be a ballerina in it, and it used to sing. It was so cute. I have some Post-its. In this drawer, I have a lot of junk. I have headbands, hair ties, a roller, a mini on-the-go travel brush, a lighter for my candles. This is laptop cleaner. Just like a bunch of random stuff. I have this laundry basket that literally says laundry, like how original. That's from TJ Maxx. Oh, and I almost forgot, over here I have a scrapbook that my boyfriend made for me for our first Christmas, and then under it is a little box and it has makeup in it. It's from Ulta. And then my MacBook Pro box. I'm like afraid to throw things like that out because I'm afraid as soon as I throw it out I'm gonna need something in it. Then my closet's in here. It's really dirty and it's gonna squeak, so get ready. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions, but yes, I do have my dresser in my closet just because it saves space. It's like one of the really long ones, and like there's just like not really anywhere to put it out here, so I just put it in there. I'm not gonna go in depth in my closet because it's really unorganized and dirty. Okay, over here I have one of my nightstands. It has my record player on it. It's a Crossley with a Beatles record right now. These coasters are just marble. They're from TJ Maxx. This is a picture of me and my boyfriend at homecoming. I think this frame is from TJ Maxx. And just these little blown glass figurines. Right, in the first drawer we have Redbubble stickers, a notebook, a shark watch, my camera charger, which I literally got white out on. Like, how do you... phone cases, another lighter for candle, and a sunglass hat box that just has change in it, and some cough drops. In this drawer I have like books. Those are note cards, my Apple Watch box. Like I said, I don't really throw things like that out. I don't know why, I'm just afraid to. I have some candles in here that just aren't in season right now. They're fall candles. These twinkle lights. Guys, I got these twinkle lights from the Target dollar section and they actually work really well, so I use them for pictures a lot. Over here I just have this basket and it has all my records in it and my ukulele and just this A. I got this for my 16th birthday because my friend threw me a 16th birthday surprise party, and on the back is everyone that was their signatures. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to be notified every time I post. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of what you want to see from me next. Alright guys, I love you and have a beautiful rest of your day.